Hey, Trip Kramer here from tripadvice.com. On today's video, let's talk about those shy women, right? Those women who are a little bit more reserved. You're gonna meet them on dating apps, you're gonna meet them out and about, you're gonna be in interactions with them all the time, because not every girl is super confident. Some guys actually believe that, by the way, which is kind of ridiculous. Because they're shy themselves, they just assume that any girl that they're attracted to has everything put together, but that's not the truth. So you're gonna run into women who are shy. What do? Everything else stays the same in terms of attraction. It's not like attraction works differently for a woman who's shy versus a woman who's more social or outgoing. Everything still works the same. So all the tips and techniques I give you on this video and in my Hooked program, all, boom, are the same. However, with a girl who's shy, you're going to end up moving a little bit slower. Because she's shy, it takes her a little bit longer to open up. Okay, so why is she shy? We don't know. Who knows? Maybe she doesn't have a lot of experience socializing. I mean, why are you shy, right? It's probably some of the same reasons. So for her, it's going to take her a little bit longer to open up. And she needs to make sure that she's with a guy who's gonna make her feel even more safe. Safety is what women are looking for. I don't necessarily mean safety in terms of danger of being hurt, but that is part of it too. But I mean emotional safety, right? A woman who is shy maybe is a little bit more scared of being judged. I'm gonna take a wild guess. If you are a shy guy, that's probably you too, right? A lot of guys who are shy, who can't go up and approach women or are scared, they're usually scared of what people are gonna think of them, what the girl's gonna think of them, what anyone around is gonna think of them, right? They don't wanna come out of their shell and be seen, because if they get seen, then they have this opportunity to potentially be judged. It's gonna take her longer to trust you, right? So it's gonna take her longer to be attracted to you, because she's gonna take some time to figure out who you are and what's going on. It's gonna take longer for her to wanna have sex with you, because again, she needs that time to trust, to know that you're not going to judge her, to shame her, to make her feel bad for anything. I mean, basically a shy person is very sensitive. Now, this is, again, up to you if you want to go through with this, if you want to actually deal with someone like that. Personally, I'm not attracted to someone who's that shy. I'd rather have someone who has been working on themselves, who has been working on their personal development enough to the point where they're okay with being somewhat outspoken and being able to communicate with you and communicate with people and not be so inside. So how do you do this? Well, there's no formula per se, but what I want you to do is go about how you're going to be attracting a girl in the first place, right? You're going to be dominant, you're going to be leading, you're going to be having a good time, you're going to be outspoken, you're going to be entertaining yourself, you're going to be building tension, all of those things. But what I want you to do is really pay attention to how she's feeling. Are you saying something, or are you being very in her face or very outgoing, and you can see her like cower a little bit, or just, in terms of something you might say to her, she might stop giving you eye contact, so you can tell she's feeling uncomfortable. So I want you to really pay attention to how she's feeling. I want you to bring out your empathic side. Practice empathy, understanding how she's feeling when you're talking to her, when you're in an interaction with her. And that's gonna guide you in terms of, okay, maybe I'm coming on a little too strong. Maybe it's gonna even tell you you're not coming on strong enough. So you're gonna kind of play this dance with her. I'd actually ask you to do this anyways with any girl. It doesn't really matter if she's shy or not shy. You should always be practicing empathy to understand how someone's feeling. Because if you're doing something that's kind of intense and you see the girl's like, whoa, I can't believe that guy just said that, or she's feeling uncomfortable because maybe you're touching her too much and practicing that, and she's just like not having it, you gotta understand that. Okay, you gotta be tapping into that side to see how she's feeling, so then you can know where to move the interaction, if you can be pushing it more forward or if you need to take a step back. Such an important skill. How do you cultivate that skill? You cultivate that skill by going out and talking to a lot of women, by being able to see the reactions. I can sit here and give you a list of all the reactions, but you just memorizing that's not gonna do anything for you. You need to have a human-to-human interaction. You need to feel kind of what's going on in the energy of the interaction and kind of see what's going on. And then you can practice and, okay, you'll be able to see things and you'll start to see patterns happening all the time. This is why I'm encouraging you always to go out and meet women and go on dates. Get on the apps if you have to. Whatever you got to do, get in front of women as much as you can, so then your empathic side can come out and you can practice and understand how she's feeling in the interaction. Now, if everything's working out, you're going to find yourself in a situation where you're going to want to kiss her, to get physical with her, and you might not know how to do it. So I actually have a live demo of me showing you what I call Tripp's tension technique to build tension and then go for the kiss. And I show you exactly step by step how to do that. If you want to see that, it's for free. It's in the description down below. Go get that, watch the video so you can learn how to build that tension and to turn her on. Go get that. I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you're having trouble meeting hot women in your town and getting them interested in you, then listen up. I have an undetectable way of getting girls instantly attracted to you, even if you're ugly, broke, and live at home with your parents. This system has worked for thousands of guys, and it can work for you too. I teach it in my program called Hooked, where you'll also learn 2 behaviors most men do that instantly destroys any attraction. My 3-step friend zone escape plan to reset her feelings for you and get her liking you. 30 different pre-written texts to send a girl that make her want to meet up with you. And how to have unshakable confidence so you can approach any beautiful woman in any place. If you want to learn this and how to get women hooked on you, then go to getherhooked.com. Again, that's getherhooked.com.